Welcome to F453 by Jam. Today we are covering Unified Modeling Language. This leads on from my Chapter 6 video. I recommend you watch it if you haven't seen it yet. What is UML? There are diagrams you need to be able to understand and draw, and diagrams you need only understand. UML is a set of diagrams used to describe object-oriented programs. Unified Modeling Language isn't really unified. There are about 13 diagrams in all, with different businesses using different symbols. In F453 there are 7 diagrams, and it has been generalized for consistency. You should get some kind of leaflet from your teacher. Looking up UML online can be confusing if it's not specific to F453. Class diagram. We've seen this before, right? Remember the orange? A class has a name, attributes encapsulated within, and methods. Methods are always ended with brackets. The section sign at the bottom indicates that there is more data in the class, but it's irrelevant to the topic. Subclasses, or derived classes, inherit all attributes and methods from their superclass, shown by the arrow. This means that waiter, a subclass of staff, has a name, age, and date joined, as well as a table number. Object diagram. A class is a template for an object. Mr. Arto here is a chef, who joined on the 31st of August 2016. If you see a colon, then the class name, this means that the object is anonymous. In other words, we don't know what object it is. Use case diagrams are simple. They show what is generally going on in a system. The initiating actor, the teacher, teaches the receiving actor, the student. The use case here is teaches. Communication diagram. This is how objects interact to complete a specific task. You may be asked to fill in parts of the diagram. The anonymous objects, who could be anyone, have combined to provide a report for the manager. This is the last of the diagrams you'll need to draw to. State diagram shows the different states and triggers of an object. The entry point is where it starts. The state describes what the object is doing or how it is. Each line is a trigger event, bringing the object from one state to the next. The exit point is at the end. Sequence diagram shows how interactions occur between objects and gives an impression of the time period that processes are done. The dotted vertical line represents the lifetime of an object. See that homework has a finite lifespan. Subroutines control the interactions, and block rectangles represent when the object is active and doing something. Activity diagram. Activity diagrams are much like your basic flowchart, but it has some symbols you'll need to remember which are listed here. I'm sure you've done this multiple times. Go to class and sit down. Has the teacher arrived? No? Let's have a rest. If they are there, you'd best take input by listening and output some useful notes. I hope you're writing your own notes from my videos. That's all my slides. Thank you for watching. Strike that like button and subscribe for more F453 related content.